Hello everyone and welcome to the Stock Martin channel. I have an awesome video for you today. We are going to be talking about some Lucid Motor news as we have the earnings report coming up at the end of the day. Today is Monday, February 28th. I did want to talk about 5 very big important things that I am looking for Lucid Motors before we get down into it. Give me that big thumbs up, smash the subscribe button, share this page with others. Don't forget your free stocks down below to Lucid. Stay at the end of this video and I'll show you how you can get an additional $17,500 worth of stocks from Moomoo and up to $6,900 of stocks with Webull. Now, without further ado, the big earnings report is today. There's 5 big things, major things I am going to be looking for in this earnings call from Lucid. The first one will be the production volumes. Lucid has planned to make 520 Lucid Air Dream vehicles for the year 2021. We'll definitely hear for the very first time, did they hit this goal? Did they deliver on their promise to make these vehicles? They did want to pay homage to their 520 miles on a single charge and make the same amount of vehicles for last year. So again, we'll have to see if they hit this mark. This will give us a bird's eye view for the year 2022. How is production going to be happening? Will they be able to produce these vehicles? Another thing I am going to be looking at is the production volume. Are they still on track to make that goal of 2022, 20,000 electric vehicles that will be delivered? That will be very critical, especially with all the supply chain shortages, all the chip shortages. We'll see if the CEO, Peter Rawlinson, acknowledges that and sees how he can work around that to make this possible. So very big things to look forward to. We do know that Lucid Motors is going to be expanding their factory in Arizona. They will be building an additional 2.85 million square feet of space of building factory in Arizona. That will make even more Lucid Air vehicles, and in addition to this, Project Gravity, the first SUV. So another very big thing that I am looking for in that earnings call is, are they going to be talking about future productions, that future Gravity vehicle? Are they going to be able to make that projected volume of 65,000 vehicles for next year, for the year 2023? So very big things to look forward to with Lucid Motor in talking about productions. Now, also a big thing I did want to talk about and know in this earnings call, what is their reservation count going to be? So far, we have heard last time it was November 15th of 2021 that Lucid Motors has a reservation count of 17,000 vehicles reserved for. It will be quite interesting to hear what is the new reservation numbers for these vehicles. We do know that now Lucid has opened up their reservations to 18 countries around the world. So definitely that will be a bigger demand for this vehicle. And we'll see what the reservation count is. I do suspect that it will be a lot more than the amount of vehicles that will be produced this year, because this year Lucid is only making 20,000 vehicles, but it will give us an idea how much demand is for this vehicle. I would also like Lucid to break down the reservation count for each of the different trims. We do know that Lucid Motors has 4 different trims, ranging for the Lucid Air Pure, which is $77,000, all the way up to the Dream Edition, which is $170,000. If we do have the reservations for each of these 4 trims, that will give us a better projected view into the future of their revenues. So far, whenever I have been doing my reservation and projected revenue cost, I have been using the volume, the amount of $100,000, because again, that vehicle cost anywhere from $77,000 all the way up to $170,000. So that will be very important from Lucid, at least if they can give us that breakdown of each vehicle amount. I did also want to talk about manufacturing capability and capacity. So we will know from CEO Peter Rawlinson and Lucid Motors what kind of production manufacturing capacity will they have. I did make some notes for myself. We do know that at the end of this year, they should be able to have a facility to make up to 34,000 vehicles. For next year, they will be making a capacity of to 90,000 vehicles. So we'll definitely have to see, does this change anything? Are they going to be on track to produce their quantity, the manufacturing capability. I do also suspect that Peter Rawlinson, the CEO, might talk about some quality assurance, since they had that last recall just most recently with the suspension issue that only affected about 1% of the 203 recalled vehicles, which is roughly about 2 to 3 vehicles affected. But we'll definitely have to hear what kind of things are in place to prevent this from happening again. I do also hope to hear any updates about future plans for future vehicles, such as that SUV, the Lucid Gravity, which will be very important for stockholders to know what is going on with future production volumes. Is that still on track? Is the Project Gravity still on track for the year 2023? We do know that supply chain issues has really hurt a lot of the auto manufacturing process. Most recently, Tesla has come out and said that they have suspended the Cybertruck, and that they will now, instead of producing it this year, they will now be producing it next year in the year 2023. Will Lucid Motors suspend or push out that Project Gravity? That will be also very important news. So we do need to focus on the big picture for this company, and that will give us a bird's eye view. Let me just make sure I have everything. I did talk about the reservation numbers. So yeah, we'll definitely have to see what is going to happen, but I am very excited about this earnings call. I will make a video about the earnings call and the results. You could definitely see that the stock is starting to go up today. We have tested that resistance point of $29. We'll see if we can shoot past that. I definitely think if we do have some very good earnings numbers, earnings reports, and some positivity in Lucid Motors, this stock can definitely go up, and it can go up quite high. The next resistance point that I do foresee after that $30 is about $35. In the past, I would say 2 months, the highest resistance that we've had is $45. That was at the beginning of January. So we'll have to see, and this is exciting time to be a Lucid owner in the stock. So please always do your own due diligence, your own research about doing a business with Lucid Motors. But I am very bullish on this company. I still think that it has the best EV technology, and I am still very bullish about this company moving forward. So I hope you like this video. I hope that you learned something new. Give me that big thumbs up to keep me alive on YouTube. Smash the subscribe button, notification bell, hit all to get my latest uploaded videos. Share this page with others. I'd love to share this page so we can continue to grow the channel. Also, don't forget to take advantage of that Lucid stock down below using that link to Moomoo. Open an account with $100 in it. We'll give you that free Lucid stock. In addition to this, you can get up to 5 free stocks, each valued up to $17,500 through Moomoo. Also, if you use my link down to Webull, they have one of the best promotions right now. If you open an account, put in any amount of money, even 1 penny, that will guarantee you 3 free stocks, each valued up to $2,300. That is an ability and a chance to get up to $6,900 in free stocks. So thank you for Webull to work with my channel as well. Thank you so much for everything, for supporting the channel, for watching, and I can't wait to talk to you on the next one. Have a great day, and we'll talk to you after the earnings call. Thank you.